Jimmy's a German short-haired pointer who just happens to be pitch black, and that's why I named him Jimmy, after one of my heroes. He comes from Montana, from a dog owned by Nick Forrester at Forrester's Bighorn Resort. He's been great to have as a friend and as an amazing hunting dog. He currently lives with Jim Dobbs, who we met at Orvis. This dog was, like his dad, was just put on earth to point. He is amazing. Last week it was -10 in New York. Today it was 50. It's kind of weird. So we went out with Jim and Jimmy and had a beautiful day in the field at Orvis.
Watch it. Close up your gun, sir. Willie, here.
Everybody here. Get ready.
Chris.
Where's in my way?
Couple of steps to the left of the tree.
It really was a beautiful shoot. Couldn't believe it was 50 degrees. I love this dog. I just love him. We've taken him out to Montana, where he just seems to suit that wide-ranging, long-ranging pointer style of hunting in the big open. He's also taken to the water, and we take him fishing with us, taken him duck hunting, but his main purpose in life is to point birds, and he really is a beautiful, beautiful pointer.